Someone just got married. This is St. Mary's Cathedral. Hi, it's Will. I just finished up 3 hours at Kung Fu and I am tired. But it's Saturday, it's Hyde Park, it's Sydney, it's sunny. You're watching the In About channel. Today I'm talking about what steps do you need to take to become a patent attorney. So, you can't just turn up one day and say that you're a patent attorney. You can't just apply for a job as a patent attorney. You do need to have some certain qualifications and steps you have to take before you can get to that point. Now, of course, me being Australian and in Australia, these steps are to become a patent attorney within Australia. If you're looking to become a patent attorney in another country, unfortunately I'm not sure if these steps are correct. Probably not. Those systems you will have to look at in their respective countries. The first sort of main step, sort of a pre-step, is that you need to have a degree, or it's preferred to have a degree in a technical field. This can be something like science or computer engineering or general engineering of any sort. I know that I went into it, I have a degree in mechatronic engineering, so that puts me at a good advantage. Chemical engineering, civil engineering, any sort of engineering field, computer science field or sciences field is an excellent start for you to become a patent attorney. After you've got your degree or qualification in some sort of technical field, you can apply to a university to complete 9 specific courses that will allow you to be recognized as a patent attorney. These 9 courses are legal processes and overview of intellectual property, professional conduct, trademark law, patent law, designs law, trademarks practice, patent systems, drafting patent specifications, and interpretation and validity of patent specifications. In Australia, there are a few courses that you can take which will take you all the way through these 9 steps, these 9 subject areas. And I will leave a link to each of those courses below. The one I am taking personally is at UTS. Now, this course is completely online, 100% online. You don't actually have to attend anything at campus, which is great for me since I work full-time and I have a lot of extracurricular activities. As I said at the start of this, I do Kung Fu and I'm working on this vlog and my website as well. The next step after completing your chosen course is to get approved by the PSB, or the Professional Standards Board. This is usually pretty much a straight follow-on from the degree itself, or the Masters itself. So this is, as long as you can pass all of those 9 subjects, usually this will be an easy process. Some general criteria that you need to cover to become a patent attorney. There are a few checklists that they go through. So you need to ensure that you are, be of good fame and character, that you have not convicted a prescribed offence during the past 5 years, you are not under sentence of imprisonment for a prescribed offence, you have not been convicted of a prescribed offence or offence against the Patents Act in the last 5 years, and you're not under a sentence for a prescribed offence where dishonesty, for which the maximum penalty is imprisonment for 2 years. So, if you're not in trouble and you're generally a good person, you're fine. Now, they're not just going to let you be a recognised patent attorney unless you've got a bit of experience in the field. This involves working underneath a patent attorney, not as a patent attorney, because you can't be recognised as a patent attorney until you've worked underneath one for a while, or at a patent office of some sort. The work you need to have completed involves, you need to be experienced in searching patent records, preparing, filing and prosecuting patent records, drafting patent specifications, and providing advice on the interpretation, validity and infringement of patents. You need to have gotten 2 years of full-time experience working with a patent office or under a patent attorney to be able to be recognized as this. Now, if you've been working at a patent attorney's office for 2 years under another patent attorney, then this next step should be fairly easy, is that you need to get a statement of skill from a registered patent attorney. If for some reason you can't get a statement of skill from a registered patent attorney, you can apply to the PSB, and they may be able to supply this for you. Now, this patent attorney that is providing this statement of skill for you, they do need to have at least 5 years experience as a patent attorney. So you need to make sure that you're working under someone that has been in the field for a little while. Now, the next and final step to becoming a patent attorney is actually having your name entered into the register of patent attorneys. Now, this needs to be done by the designated manager, who is appointed by the Secretary of the Department of Industry, Innovation and Science. Currently, this designated manager is the Director General of IP Australia, Patricia Kelly. Once all this has happened, your name is in the register, and you are now officially a patent attorney. Well done! I'll get there in a few years. It's probably going to take me about 5 or so years, maybe 6, because I'm taking it 1 subject per semester. So, 2 subjects a year, 9 subjects all up. It's going to take me a little while. Then I've got to work for 2 years, and then I've got to apply for all of this to become a registered patent attorney. For more information about inventing, innovation, patents, product development, designs, creating, all of that sort of stuff that has to do with innovation, check out www.innoval.com. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Cheerio.